Hello students, in today's video we are going to discuss about coordinate geometry. Look at the question over. It's a very beautiful question. Find the coordinate of the point which divides the line joining 4, -3 and 8, 5 in the ratio 3:1 internally. Look at the question carefully. It's a very beautiful question. Okay, so exactly what you have to do, you're going to find the coordinate of the point, right? Which divides the line joining this and these in the ratio 3:1. I'm just drawing a diagram over here. Now look at over here the solution. So let assuming that this is a line. Okay, fine. Let assuming that this is a line over here, and this is that here I'm representing like this. Let's suppose I'm saying this one is what 4, -3, and here let's suppose I'm saying here this point is that let's suppose I'm saying this one is what 8, 5. Okay, so what is your task? Your task is that here exactly this point that is a P here. I'm going to find out this one. Okay, so I'm going to find out this one. Okay, so here what I'm saying, so this one is what, now this one is x1 y1, this one is what, this one is x2 y2. Got it? And what is your task? Your task is that you are going to find out P of x, y value will be what? That is the coordinate points. You are going to find out. How can you find out? How can you find out? You have to apply a formula that is called a section formula. And look at the question over in the ratio 3:1 internally. So you have to apply the formula that is section formula. आपको कौन सा formula use करना है भाई? Section formula use करना है. Which formula? Section formula. What is section formula? I'm writing over here. Look at here. So that means I can say what is the section formula over here? That is P of x, y can be written like this. That is here mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n. आप बोलेंगे सर m क्या है भाई? Look at this one 3:1. So here m value is 3 and here n value is 1. Okay, got it? So I'm writing the formula. There is a section formula I'm writing over here. P of x, y is equal to mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, comma my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. Got it? Simple. Just put the values. Definitely you'll be getting the answer over here. Okay, right? So you tell me here what is the value of x1, that is 4. What is the value of y1, -3? And what is the value of x2, 8? What is the value of y2, 5? Just put the value over there. Okay, so look at here. Value of m is what, 3? Put it here. x2 value is what, 8? Put it over here. Plus n. What is the value of n, 1? Put it here. x1 value is what, 4? Put here. By m plus n, 3 plus 1 is 4. Okay, comma m. What is the value of 3? y2 value, look at here, 5. Okay, plus n. What is the value of n, 1 into y1. What is the value of y1, -3. Okay, by m plus n, 3 plus 1, 4. Very simple. Okay, so you have to solve like this. 3 8s are what you're getting over. 3 8s are what, 24 plus 4 by 4 here, comma here this is 15 minus 3 by 4 here. Okay, so obviously you are getting what, so this is what first one I'm checking this one. Look at over here. That is 24 plus 4 is what, 28 by 4. Okay, so obviously you are getting what, 7, the first value. And look at this one. So that is here 15 minus 3 is what, 12 by 4. So what you're getting, 3. Okay, so what is your answer? Your answer will be what? That is P. What is the P coordinate value you are getting over here? This one first, you have write 7, 3. So this is your answer. This is your coordinate value of P over here. This is your answer, coordinate value of P over here. Okay, by using section formula you're getting the answer.